Welcome everybody to Let's Get Skilled Academy, and in this video we'll be focusing on variables in JavaScript. Now variables are very important in any programming language, C, C Sharp, Java, and even for JavaScript. Now, so what is variables? I see variables as containers that will keep your information. For let's say you want to use your data, you can just call it on the name of what you labeled. So how do you create variables? There is four ways to declare variables, and it is by using the var, the let, the const, or the it will create it automatically, but we won't recommend you to do that. So what we will be doing is we're gonna create a small program that will display our full name with our age, and we will give the information to the program, and then it's gonna display it for us. So yeah, guys, I opened up my web browser, and as you guys can see, we have playcode.io environment in front of us. So in order for you to access the playcode environment, you're just gonna type in playcode.io/JavaScript in your URL bar in the browser. Yep. If you haven't checked out our first introduction video, please do so. So, as we said that we're gonna create a mini program that will display our full name with our age. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna make use of variables. So first, the first way to declare variable, it's gonna be with the var, and I will say full name. Let's say first name, and then we have an assignment operator, which will be the equal sign. And I'm gonna explain you guys more into detail about strings, but for now I just want you guys to follow along. So let's say you wanna create a variable, you want to declare a variable or with your name, you always put it inside of quotation marks. So always whatever sentence you want to type, always put it between quotation marks. So my name will be John Ray. Then I'm gonna create a lit for my surname, which will be Hendricks. Then my age, I'm gonna create a const, my age, and the numbers or integers we don't put between quotation marks, only strings. So a string of characters we put between quotation marks, but numbers and integers we don't put between quotation marks. So I'm gonna say 26 semicolon, and then what we're gonna do is we want to display it. So we're gonna say console log. um and as you guys know that it is a label, we can just call our variable. um we can just call our variable, and as you can see, it's already displaying John Ray. Now we have concatenation symbols, which is the plus operator, and we can say, okay, make it a space there, um surname. Okay, so we are halfway through our mini program. We just need to display our age. So we're gonna concatenate our age. Now, as you guys can see, we have John Hendricks 26. But now let's say I wanna concatenate this with a string. So I'm gonna say between quotation marks, my name is, and then concatenate it. My name is John Hendricks. Full stop. Let's say comma, and I am 26. Concatenate that. Years old. Um, uh, as you guys can see, it's actually displaying in our console. My name is John Hendricks, and I am 26 years old. I just need to add a space here. Now the difference between a const, lit, and var, you can't change the constant, but you can change the lit and the var. But I'm gonna go more into detail with the lit and the var declaration of our variables. So yeah, guys, after creating the mini program, um, hand of applause for you guys. As you guys have seen that we have used the var, lit, and const. Now the difference between the var, lit, and const is that with constants you can't change it. The value will stay the same, but you can change the lit in the var. Yeah, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and to follow us for more videos.